I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to IDX TV. We're here at the Package Fulfillment, Logistics and Delivery Expo here in Cincinnati. I'm joined by Myra, Jim and Shawn, and I'm going to let them explain their businesses and themselves. So Jim, why don't you start us off? Tell us about yourself and Handheld.
Yeah, thanks so much for the opportunity to do that. Handheld is a manufacturer of ruggedized mobile computing, hence the name Handheld. We make handheld computers, tablet computers, and now an exciting new element for us is wearable computers as well. And that's what we're going to demonstrate today.
Great. And Myra?
So I'm the Director of Development at Handheld. So I'm in charge of all of our new product developments, including this handheld wearable printer that we'll be presenting today.
Great, thank you. And Shawn?
Hi, Shawn Winter, Descartes Systems, and I'm actually a software provider and a vendor and partner with Handheld, and we're really proud to be a part of this project.
Now, tell us, guys, over the last couple of years, there's been huge changes within the industry, and with that, there's been challenges. Tell us about that and how you've adapted to those.
Yeah, so we're kind of uniquely positioned. Being a technology provider in this market, we're actually supporting very large customers that move a lot of packages and delivery of parcels. And during the pandemic, people stopped buying products the same way. We no longer went to stores and retail. We went online and we ordered things, and we just expected that they were going to show up at our house. But this was a big ramp up for our large customers delivering these parcels. And with that, they needed to find new efficiencies in their operations. Their infrastructure that they already had needed to support a major influx in increased productivity and volume. Yeah.
And we've seen lots of new technologies come through with that. And you've launched something earlier this year. So
Yeah, we're excited about it.
yeah, absolutely.
Very new technology. Myra is actually the architect of this. One of our large customers came to us with this problem and an idea around efficiency, and we worked and collaborated together to come up with a product that kind of is very innovative in this space, and it proved to actually really work well in their environment. So Myra can kind of demonstrate really quickly and tell you about it.
Yeah. So just real quick, this basically replaces the handheld ring scanner that many users will use, along with a PDA and a belt-worn printer, or sometimes a large tabletop printer. And so in those cases, you have multiple pieces of equipment you're trying to maintain, you're trying to find labels. With supply chain, sometimes it's difficult. And you have to have multiple people on the line. And so what this does is it does all of that in one. So it scans, it communicates to your backend server, so it has the computer system, and it prints right on the package.
Great. So can you show us?
Absolutely. So it will quickly just scan and print, and then it will just print on any surface. You can print on a regular surface, you can print on round packages, and then all your routing information, sorting instructions are right here. The user eyes have never left that package, and they can now have a hands-free ability to now pick that up and move that.
And just show us again.
Yes, absolutely.
So what's happening here is the package has actually been received in a distribution center overnight. And overnight, the package, the software knew that the package was going to be there, but didn't know how it was actually going to get to the end customer's location, which truck it was going to go on and what sequence. So as that information was computed overnight, the package showed up in the facility in the distribution center early in the morning. And then as the package is moving down a conveyor very fastly, the person's able to scan, print the new location where it needs to go to for the next person that's going to handle the package. This is all done with their hands, actually on the package with both hands. Very ergonomic, very safe, and they're able to move about the operation freely. It's a wearable. They're not tethered to one location.
And Shawn, tell us about where you come into this.
Well, you see, the reason I'm so excited about this is our customers use our ship-track product to deliver these packages in the final mile. So we're really responsible for the execution of that delivery. So, as Jim mentioned, it's coming down the conveyor belt, usually off a large transport truck. These come off very quickly. I need to scan them. What my business does is we sort and optimize the routes, and we also decide what truck this box has to go on to get to your home, and in what sequence it has to get to on that truck. So always last in, first out. What we've had in the past is very primitive label printing type of scenarios to do that, because that calculation isn't done until the very last foot, right, at the last moment. So having a product like the SP500 is crazy. And our customers love it because it's so quick. They're responsible for unloading thousands and thousands of packages in a span of maybe 2 hours, and they've got to do all this sortation. So manually doesn't make sense.
And thank you for watching IDX TV, brought to you by CCL.